Ensuring that CAD data passed downstream from the design office or from clients can quickly be enhanced with manufacturing information is critical to getting products out of the door on time. BricsCAD provides the tools you need to achieve this successfully. Bringing in data from other formats and working on that data immediately, whether 2D or 3D, is straightforward. You can get to work straight away on adding your own manufacturing details. Intelligent AI-powered automation tools make that detailing task as fast as possible, allowing you to deliver the right, accurate documentation to production well within deadlines. When working with sheet metal parts, BricsCAD's unique automated workflows allow you to take plain 3D models from upstream, convert them to an intelligent sheet metal part with one click, unfold them automatically with a second click, and have detailed 2D drawings delivered in no time.